Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to clear the cache in Microsoft Edge. So let's have a look now. Firstly, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner of the Edge window, click on the three horizontal dots to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. Click on Privacy, Charts and Services. Then scroll down and click on Choose what to clear under the Clear Browsing Data heading. In the Clear Browsing Data menu, ensure that cookies and other site data and cached image and files are selected. Once you have selected the desired options, click on the Clear button. This will remove the selected data from your cache. So, there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.